Now we're going to talk about subtraction using a number line, and this is going to be a very basic way to do this first. So just like addition, we're going to draw our number line, but this time we are going to start on the right side. Since we're subtracting, we're going to be moving backwards on the number line, so we want to start over here so we'll have enough room to show that. First thing I want to do is think about hundreds. There are two groups of 100. So I can just go ahead and subtract those separately and use my knowledge of counting by hundreds to know that if you have 436 minus 100 is going to be 336, and then 236. Next, we look at our tens, and we know we have to jump back 5 groups of 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're going to label these all as minus 10. Now we can just count backwards, and this would be 226, 216, 206, 196, 186. Last step is to count back our ones, which in this case is just 1. Which would put us at 185 as our answer. Now, once your student has that and they can jump by hundreds, tens, and ones, they can start looking for friendlier numbers and making these jumps a little bit more difficult. So again, we'll start with 436. I know I have to jump back 200, but instead of doing individual jumps, I'm just going to jump back 200 in one jump. So that would put me at 236. Now I know that I have to jump back 50 places, but I notice that I'm at 236. So what I'm going to do is think about 50 as 30 plus 20. Because if I jump back 30, I am at 206, which is a pretty simple jump. That one makes sense to students if you get to a more friendly number. I've jumped the 30, so now I have to jump back another 20. And that would put me at 186. Next, I have to jump back my ones, and again, minus 1, and I land at 185. And that's how you do subtraction on a number line.